What's up guys, it's me, Psycho Mago here, back in a video. And today's video is going to be episode 11 of fixing my dad's 1972 Camaro RS. Today was pretty fun. We worked on this one specific part on the exterior of the car. Kind of frustrating, but I'm going to stop talking and let's get watching. Back to trying to work on this lock. We ordered the correct lock this time.
Yep.
Last time he got it off of Amazon.
Yep. I did.
And it was wrong.
It was the wrong lock. It's a door lock. It said it was a trunk lock.
Or you can't read, I don't know. We got Buster here.
It said it was a trunk lock. I swear to God.
We got Buster here to help us. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't knock anything down.
Okay, so we got to move this out of the way. So, hey, let's remove this first because we got to do that.
So we took the thing off. We took the frame off of the thing. 72. Messed up in the other video. Said 73. I'm stupid. Did not flip that over so I don't need to edit that all the time.
Okay. So that goes there. So now we need to put our little knobbers in there.
Little knobbers. Don't search that up on Google.
Okay, where's the little...
You took my little knobbers.
The knobbers? Where are they at? Shoot.
Pliers.
Yeah. Something to hold them. That didn't help at all. Oh. And no.
And money moves.
I hate having to put my hands on little things.
Yeah. You must hate yourself.
Oh my gosh, I can't get it in the hole.
What did he say?
I can't. I know. It's facts. Oh, come on. Okay. So.
Got the knobber.
Okay, we need
You showed me on
What?
Messenger.
Oh.
This check that had
Some
so
funny
many
stuff.
notifications.
Oh no! Came
Slipped
off.
out.
Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you are. Got it. Big.
Oh.
Buster, you can't keep going in and out.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Oh! Shoot. Whoa, 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 whoa. This thing's getting hot.
It's a good lighter.
Where'd that one go? Oh, come on, man. Where the heck did it go?
Right there.
Thread, baby. Oh, I grabbed. Oh, Jesus. It's hard.
That's what she said.
Ah!
That's what she said. Did it thread?
Yeah, it's threading.
Do you need like the grippy ones to hold on to it?
Huh?
Do you need the grippy things to hold on to it?
I need something to hold on. We got the other nut in, like barely, because we kind of screwed it up the first time. So we gotta get the other one in and make sure that one stays in nice and tight. And heat this metal up a little bit.
Goodness gracious.
Added some orange stuff to it.
Need something to make it stick on there, or it's gonna keep falling off over and over. Ready?
Yep.
Of course it didn't do anything.
Thing off this thing. We can't work. Having to do this. This is insane how hard this is.
That's what she said.
This should not be this difficult.
Okay. Do it hard. Piece of shit. I don't even know what that was.
Failed. We failed on something that looked simple.
What are we doing today?
Freezing. Because somebody didn't turn the heater on in here.
Wow.
We should turn that camera around so you can see the dunce that didn't do it.
There we go. I'll turn it around right now. There we go. There it is.
Alright, so we're going to try to fix this because it's all goofed up. And I got some different connectors, so hopefully that'll work. We'll see. So, we heated one side, so it's all fat now. We just got to slim it down. Come on.
You want glasses?
Yeah. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's hollow in there.
It is?
Yeah.
Wow.
I might end up having to buy another one of these. We can't figure this out. Yeah, look at that. Hollow. Alright. Where was the plastic piece that went in here? Shoot. It's too big for the other side. Yeah, it's just push it.
Slid in there.
Okay. Push it hard. Okay, I think we got it.
Oh, well, that worked way better.
This one's still a little loose. Yeah. Pull that little piece off there.
Want pliers?
Okay, let's push it up again. There we go. Good. Okay, where's the key? Where's the key?
Where is the key?
This is not the right one.
Oh, but there's also a pair of keys right here. Watch that little rod.
Yes!
Okay, time to check if it works. Closed.
That's okay. It should just.
Okay, so it takes some force.
Okay.
Moment of truth. Sticking it in.
Yeah!
Oh!
We only had to take like a month break,
Yeah.
and it works.
Month break. 2 hours of
And we did it in
screaming.
like 10 minutes.
Yeah. What, did you just buy new things?
Yeah, just new connectors and.
Are they higher quality or? What the hell is this?
Suppose. We could probably, you want to do it? Cut the rest of this off?
Yep.
Just here.
With the Dremel.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. As I said, it got a little bit frustrating, but you know, we got through it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again next time.